Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, and for today it's cooking instead sweets, and this is chicken in sweet barbecue gravy. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Melt butter and saute your garlic and diced onion until translucent and fragrant. Now add in your chicken pieces and saute until kind of brownish. Nicely on both sides. Now we're gonna add in our potato slices. These are baby potatoes. You can use regular potatoes and saute for a bit. Now add in hot boiling water and also your bell pepper and of course cherry tomatoes. Season with 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce and chicken liquid concentrate base to taste. Also sweet soy sauce, Indonesian sweet soy sauce. Also nutmeg powder and white pepper powder to taste. And now we're just gonna stir it a bit and then we're gonna cover it and let it simmer on low medium heat until chicken totally well done. Potatoes tender, chicken well done, and that should be enough. Stir the chicken, so you want to coat both sides nicely with the gravy and continue cooking until potato tender and chicken are well cooked through. Serve with warm rice.